So hi guys, I am Rosan Alginha from IT2103. So welcome to my channel. So first, this blog this contains of what we have learned from this subject, which is the Cisco CCNA1. So let's start with what we have learned. So from this subject, I've learned a lot. Of course, with how to troubleshoot when we are taking exams, there have some troubleshooting scenario, so we have to do to do what we have learned from the NetAcad by reading it. So the next one is knowing how to configure and how to do a topology from our own learning. um we have a lot of activities that we have able to answer from the NetAcad. So from upon learning or upon answering all the activities from the NetAcad, which is the especially the packet tracer, we are able to understand what 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 of what we have need to understand. So there are scenarios that we have to configure a switch, a router. So I have also tackled about the how to compute the VLSM to have an IP address and the IP default gateway. Then step by step process of answering the activity. We've all catch up all the information that we have to understand to do our final project, which is we have to do our own topology, which is we can see the connections between the router, the switch, and the host. Then we've also tackled about the different connections, the different intermediary devices, the different network devices, what is the importance also of the network, and also the internet. And also we've also upon doing the packet tracer, we've already understand what is the use of the enable, the use of the configure terminal, the use of enable secret of what you want password, the banner OTD, the service password encryption, also the line console 0, the use of password for that line, the login exit, what is the purpose of that, also the line VTY and the line AUX. Also in adding the when we are configuring the router, we have to add which is the interface. For example, is G0/0, then the IP address for that, the default gateway, the description, then the no shutdown, then the other interface of what aside from your activities. So upon learning from the Cisco CCNA1, I've understand on how I connect the router, switch, and the host, and how to know if my topology is if my topology is working. So from the CCNA1, I've understand how to connect or do an topology. So I think that's all for this video or vlog. Thank you for watching.